Let's take a look at how we can use Ionic Lab to view our Ionic applications on a variety of different user interface styles. This means we can look at our app as if it was run on an iOS device, an Android device, and a Windows device. Do be aware that this is not actual emulation, it's the same as running Ionic Serve, but we just get to see all three devices or user interfaces at the same time. So let's run Ionic Lab from within an Ionic project. Now the project I'm currently in, Ionic Buttons, is an Ionic project, and when I hit enter, it will start the project as usual when we run Ionic Serve, but this time it runs Ionic Lab. As you can see, when we go ahead and do this, we get a different user interface, and it starts off by showing us the Android device. As you can see, it's a blank Ionic application, and if we head over to platforms at the top right, we can select iPhone, which gives us our application under iOS, and Windows, which gives us our application inside of a Windows Phone UI. So this allows you to determine the platform differences in the user interface of your project, and you can also have different benefits too. For example, if we hit the side menu at the top left, we get access to quick reference for the components, API reference, Ionic Native, and of course all documentation. We're given the name of our application here, which is My App, and the current version. Don't forget you can change that. And also quick links to the Twitter for Ionic, the documentation, the Ionic forum, and so on. We can also, should we wish to, hit the Open Full Screen button next to platforms here. This will give us the standard Ionic Serve interface, so under a Android UI, and we can also right-click and hit Inspect. From here we can pull up the toolbar a little bit and then hit View the device toolbar. So this toggles the device toolbar. If we click that, we're in a similar situation where at the top here we can select a variety of different devices. If we want to view it as iPhone 6 Plus, we can leave it like that. And then if we hit refresh inside of Chrome, it will change the user interface to match iOS. So that's how we can run our Ionic applications, but also view it under a numerous amount of different operating systems.